Hello everyone, it's just a dad. Today I'm going to do an unboxing and a review on this Hollyland wireless lavalier microphone. This is the model number Lark M2S. Here's everything that comes in the box. Now, one very important thing I want to show you are these little stickers. So everything comes installed, but there's these little stickers that are on the charging points. Okay, and they're a little hard to see. So take these blue pieces of tape, there's 3 of them, off each one of these. So now when they're installed, it will charge the microphone. Now this part doesn't have a battery in it or charge, but it did have a piece of blue tape over the USB-C port. This is what you're going to plug into your phone. If you want to charge your phone, you can charge it through here. But I love that the storage case has a place for it also. And then there's a light here to let you know that it's charging. And then around back, you're going to plug USB-C. It does come with a cable. Plug USB-C in here. You're going to charge the case, and then the case is going to charge the microphones. This is the receiver, and you've got 2 microphones. These are going to transmit whatever it's picking up to wherever this is going. I've got this plugged into my iPhone 15 Pro Max. Now it does come with 2 windscreens, and also inside this case, it was pretty hard to see. You got to take this off, which was kind of hard. And then down here, there was more stuff. Inside here, this is where the bag was. So in this bag, you'll have the 2 windscreens and the charging cable. And then so later on, you can store everything in here. I typically will probably just take this. But inside here, there is 2 compartments. That is nice. So let's take a look at the windscreen. Yeah, it's like a little cup. You're going to have to put it inside that cup. And so this is how the wireless microphone works. It's permanently connected, but you're going to tilt it up, and then you're going to put this onto your clothes. This is the microphone part. This part goes inside. So you want this part sticking out, which is really small. So when you want to put this on, you want to put that towards the windscreen or the soft material. Put it in there. Now I do have a light up here and I have a button. Let's go over those. On here I also have a button and I have 2 lights. So here I've got my iPhone 15 Pro Max. It's got USB-C. I'm going to plug it in. Now see how there's 2 lights down there? Transmitter 1 and transmitter 2. Now let's go over those lights. The flashing blue means it's unpaired. Solid blue means it's paired. Solid green means you're in noise canceling mode. And there's the noise canceling button. Single press, turn noise canceling on or off. Long press for 6 seconds to enter pairing mode. And there's the USB-C port. Okay, let's go over the button on the actual microphone. Single press the button. You can turn noise canceling on or off from the microphone. Long press for 3 seconds to turn the device on or off. So you can turn the microphone on or off. Long press for 6 seconds to enter pairing mode. And there's the indicator light. Flashing blue means it's unpaired. Solid blue, paired. Solid green means you're in noise canceling. And solid red means you're in mute. Let's go over the lights on the case. Solid red means the battery percentage inside the case is between 3 and 6%, so it's really low. Solid white means it's between 6 and 98. Solid green means the battery is above 98%. I just noticed there's even a big piece of tape up here. I'm not sure what that's for. All right, let's take that tape off. So make sure you get all 3. I'm just going to throw those away now. But what's really nice about this is when you store it, it unpairs it. So now I've got just this one out, and we can see how 1 is flashing. The transmitter 1 is flashing. That means it's stored and it's not paired. But the transmitter 2, which is this one, which is out of the case, is paired. And this is the one that will be receiving the signal. And it's super easy. Just simply put it in, and it kind of like holds in with a magnet and charges. Close the case. And again, I also have a place to store that. I really like that part. And I think the sound quality is really, really good with it. So again, this is what you're going to put. There's the microphone. That has to be on the outside of your clothes. It's a clamp. There's no magnet between there. It's just a clamp. Here I've got it clamped on my shirt. So that's the part, that's the microphone that goes out. This is the older version that had a magnet. And then this part has to go inside. So this will pick up my voice. This stuff is really small. So let's try to get a couple measurements. You know, overall, this is about 1.5 inches. Oh, about 3/4, but the actual part that sticks out is like 1/2 inch. There's like a loop of about 1.25 inches. Let's take a look at this. This is 1.5 inches, not very thick. 1/4 inch thick. Inch that way. So yeah, again, there's the button on there. You got 2 lights. And if I had to charge my phone, I could charge it through here and it would go into the phone that way. But the best part, I can take this with me. I like everything goes in the case. Now, while I'm transporting it, it's going to be charging those microphones. And then when I need to charge the case, I just plug USB-C in here. So this is really nice. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.